easiest process is the process of becoming engaged in the service of the Lord in order to glorify Him. And that is called Sankirtan. The process of Sankirtan, Kirtan means glorification. And Sankirtan means total glorification, complete glorification. So this word Sankirtan actually has two connotations. One is, Sankirtan actually comes from the word Sammak Kirtan. Sammak Kirtan has one connotation, that is Bahubhir Militva Yat Kirtanam. When many people get together to sing the glory of the Lord, that is called Sankirtan. And another understanding is to engage everything for the sake of glorifying the Supreme Personality of Godhead is Sankirtan. Many people get together singing the glory of the Lord is Sankirtan. But even greater concept of Sankirtan is when we use everything for the sake of glorifying the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or which means use everything for spreading the glory of the Lord. That is the real Sankirtan. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and Srila Prabhupada showed us that process of Sankirtan.